Halloween is upon us. I'm feeling good. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling damn good. Damn good. Like, I had my doubts there for a second, but whew. Mom's birthday's this weekend. She's doing the costume party. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to dress up as. This isn't a costume. No, this is just what I normally wear on Thursdays. Yeah, because you gotta keep it mellow, you gotta keep it cool, you gotta be legit. Well, okay. My mom's not gonna be disappointed, she'll be fine. You know what? Your bad vibes can't keep me down. I am sky high. Sky high. Hail to the football team. Gentlemen, welcome to your Week 7 review and your Week 8 preview of the High House Elite. We are the Elite, the Elite 2020 season. We're over the halfway point. So now things are going to get that much more intense. Playoff spots are going to be decided at this point in juncture. Point in juncture? Who says point in juncture? 25-3. Let's start with our game of the week. Hot Cheetos and milk coming in hot. And Cheetos and milk fresh off their first victory. But they fall to plug that butthole. 137.62. Hot Cheetos and milk 72.02. Plug that butthole. Led by a defensive player named Neil, who had 13.5. I only bring that up because Hot Cheetos and Milk had 2 defensive players who got you 0, plus your tight end Higbee got you 0. Hot Cheetos, we were doing so well. What happened? What happened? But bear with me, because zeros are kind of the theme of this video. Snyder Adult Films 141.1. They beat the Firefly Funhouse 93.66. Firefly Funhouse led by Tom Brady 44.86. Did not matter. Moore Robinson for the Adult Films 49 plus points. At least both of these teams didn't have zeros. And Snyder Adult Films, look out. They're doing real well for themselves. Fantasy football team, 128 even. They beat Breeze Nuts version 0.3, 105.58. Football team, led by Kyle Murray's 43.1. They also had a 0 named Fells. He's a tight end, but it doesn't matter because they won. And Breeze Nuts, I gotta give respect. Because I've given this person shit for several weeks. Devontae Adams showed up 31.6 in the losing effort. But at least he put up 31. That's better than 0. Heartbreak Kids 123.16. They beat Sabotage, who had 75.24. Sabotage's Todd Gurley, 20.2. That's probably 6 more points than they actually wanted, but they still lost. And it didn't help anything that Sabotage had Jackson, OBJ, and Hilton get you goose eggs. You need the points. You need the points. But to that point, Heartbreak Kids, their kicker Bailey, Don Bailey, somebody Bailey. Heartbreak Kids loves this guy, but he got you 0. So another goose egg there. No boys for me. 151.24, beating the Lechos, 71.16 effort. The Leech O's, let me tell you about the O's. Crowder, Sanders, Leonard, O. Where No Boys For Me was led by Herbert, some quarterback for the Chargers who play somewhere out west. I don't know. Herbert. Whatever. 44.48. 151 though on the board for No Boys For Me. Stellar performance. Lastly, Luck This Shit, 109.88. They beat Licky Buttholes 107.82. This game decided by 2 points. Close to the end. Boyd for Luck This Shit, 17.74. Difference maker. Butker, a second kicker, shout out. He got you 12 for Leaky Butthole, but it's all about the zeros, and Dalvin Cook got you 0. Yet, you won. So, hey. Which leads us to everyone's favorite part of the program, If Only They Tied. This week sponsored by Candy Corn. Candy Corn. When you were a kid, you liked it. When you grew up, not so much. And as an adult, you're forced to buy it. Is it candy? Is it vegetables? Who knows? It's candy corn. Thank you, Candy Corn, for sponsoring today's episode. If only they tied. Everyone. Too many zeros. Too many zeros. We're the High House Elite. The elite. The elite. Come on. But special call out to Firefly Funhouse. You got a dude named Claypole. He got you -2. -0.2. You should have taken the 0. But you got negative. What are you doing? If only they tied. Let's look ahead to week 8. Special week 8. Because I have 2 games of the week. One is the obvious one. You have Snyder Adult Films, division leader at 6-1, going against fellow division leader, Plug That Butthole at 5-2. Big game. Also, conversely, you have Cellar Dweller, Leaky Butthole at 2-5, going against Hot Chews and Milk, Cellar Dweller at 1-6. Everybody in between, No Boys For Me at 5-2. They take on Sabotage at 3-4. Fantasy football teams 4-3. They take on the Heartbreak Kids who are 3-4. Look This Shit is at 3-4. They take on the Firefly Funhouse who are also 3-4. And then the Leechos are at 4-3. They take on Breeze Nuts version 3 who are 3-4. You know, gentlemen, that is our week 7 review and week 8 preview. And I don't know about you, but god damn it, do I feel good right now. So good luck, Godspeed, and we'll see you down the road.